Good afternoon, dear Forex traders. This is the latest business news on NCTV channel. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. The world leading economies are losing positions in the ratings of the economic activity, demonstrating very weak signs of recovery. Here we can mention Germany, Japan, France, Russia and India. On the contrary, the economic revival and stabilization in the USA, China, Canada and Brazil are notable, considers one of the main international organizations, OECD, on the basis of the leading indicators index. The OECD experts are sure of that the global economy is in a very difficult position and the tendency of the recovery is hardly seen. The opinion of the rating agency Moody's is the same. It downgraded the growth forecast for the G20 countries. It is predicted that in 2012 the economy will advance by a mere 2.7% instead of the earlier estimated 2.8%, and in 2013 it will increase by 3% against the growth forecast of 3.4%. Within the next 2 years, the global economy is foreseen to accelerate the advanced tempo. By far, the programs of austerity measures and of budget narrowing have a negative impact on the development of the leading countries in the world, evoking uncertainties regarding the further financial stability. Find out more events on financial markets with us. Goodbye.